Hello, my project is for my students to do a geometric shape scavenger hunt throughout my classroom. And they'll be using ClassDojo, which is a program that we use every day in our classroom that tracks behaviors and is a great parent communication tool. For Kansas State standards, the one of the math standards that matches this project would be the students would be able to distinguish between defining attributes, and the objective would be that the students will be able to identify geometric shapes around the classroom by identifying their attributes. The directions is they're going to first get onto ClassDojo. They're going to find the geometric shape scavenger hunt activity that I have assigned to them. And then they're going to walk around the classroom looking for geometric shapes, but they must be able to identify the attributes and explain why they think that object is that shape. Snap a picture to post onto their ClassDojo page, and in the caption box below the picture they took, they're going to type the attributes of that shape found. Obviously, this is going to be a project that's probably going to be more of a second semester thing, which would be totally fine because in our curriculum we don't introduce geometrics until second semester, so that should be really convenient for them. And they need to find a minimum of 3 different shapes around the classroom. They can find more if they want, but it has to be a minimum of 3. So going on to the ClassDojo page, this is the teacher side. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you the student side, but when the student gets onto their ClassDojo, either via iPad or on the computer, which on their case it would be iPad, they're going to see under their activities geometric shape scavenger hunt, and it'll actually look like a little paint palette, and they'll click it and they see that there's this camera right there, and that means that it's going to be an activity involving taking pictures. And so they'll take a picture and they'll do their activity. Up here for the teacher side, you can see that I have no pending or submitted. Obviously, I created this. You can see it's 2019-2020 for next year, so I don't have any students. I did add a sample student, but when I click on theirs, it just says sample portfolio, so that's about it. But yeah, I've done activities like this in the past with my students, and they really enjoy this hands-on creativity side to technology. So that's my project.